If you love going on long walks out in the Texas Hill Country, lounging by a swimming pool, and having close access to shopping and restaurants, then you will love our newest listing in Sweetwater. Welcome to 6017 Gunnison Turn Road. This one-story home with a 3-car garage sits on a larger-sized corner lot close to one of the many neighborhood walking trails. It was built by David Weekley Homes and has an all-brick exterior and beautifully landscaped yard. The roof was also just replaced in June of 2024. Inside, you'll find an open layout with high ceilings and lots of windows overlooking the backyard. In the front of the home is a study with French doors and a formal dining area. The kitchen has tons of storage space, including 2 double-door pantries, a large center island, built-in appliances, and a gas cooktop. It opens up to a second casual dining area and family room. The primary bedroom is located towards the back of the home for extra privacy, and the primary bath features dual vanities, a walk-in shower, separate tub, and spacious closet. All of the carpet was recently replaced, so this home is move-in ready. Towards the front of the home are 2 guest bedrooms with a shared guest bath. There was a flex space area that was closed in to create another room that could be a 4th bedroom or a second office area. Now let's head outside. Now my favorite part of this whole home is the backyard with this Texas-sized patio. This is where you'll relax at the end of the day, enjoy barbecues or gatherings with friends and families. What you'll also love about this home is the price. It's only $600,000, which is an incredible deal for the size of this home, the 3-car garage, and oversized lot. Now let's talk a bit more about this neighborhood. Sweetwater has 2 clubhouses, both with resort-style pools, miles of hiking trails, a fitness center, playgrounds, and sports courts, so it's easy to maintain a healthy, active lifestyle. The neighborhood also has planned events throughout the year, so you can really get to know your neighbors and feel like you're part of a community. And you're just about 10 minutes to tons of restaurants and shopping at the Hill Country Galleria, and students attend highly acclaimed Lake Travis schools. So if you've fallen in love with this home, just ask me for a tour.